Welcome to Waterborepump Warehouse. We're happy to help with all your Waterborepump needs. Feel free to give us a call.
The Lorenz submersible pump system. It's quite simple. We've got a DC rare earth submersible motor at this end, helical rotor pump, submersible cable. That's the inlet for the water into the pump. I'm using and preferring the Crusader Flexibore. It's flexible, it's easy to install, it's rated for installation of submersible pumps where some other products aren't rated to hang heavy weights off the bottom. These legs here guide the pump in. They can be cut off at the right increment to fit your diameter well. We've got the cable splice where we join the pump cable to the drop cable. The drop cable is a custom installed cable to join the motor to whatever depth that you're going to be installing your pump at. This is the Lorenz system. I always use a well probe. The well probe is installed about 1 metre above the pump, and that will allow the pump to switch off when the water level drops down to this probe, protecting the pump. So the pump needs to be covered by 1 metre of water, and this probe needs to be submerged at all times. As you can see with the Crusader Flexibore, we've got cable ties every metre, and I insist on using rated cable ties. Each cable tie is rated at 22.2 kilograms minimum strength, and we've got the electrical drop cable longer than the Crusader Flexibore, just to allow for any stretch or movement in the Crusader Flexibore. It's a really robust system and it's easy to install yourself.